Hello, my dear knowledge worker. In this lecture, we will talk about the following topics: setting objectives, defining key result area, defining key performance indicator, that is called KPIs. In the performance management system, employees' objectives should be clearly defined with performance targets so that employees know what is expected of them. Objective must produce a specific end result that contribute to the success of the organization. When setting objectives, employees should know the following two critical concepts: key result area, that's called KRA, an area of work that is vital to the performance of the organization, department, or individual employee within the organization. Example is customer satisfaction, employee engagement, recruitment and selection, reward management. Robert S. Kaplan and David Norton explained four perspectives of the key result area that are learning and growth perspective, internal business process perspective, number 3, customer perspective, and the last, that is related to the finance, it is financial perspectives. These areas help define the scope of a job, department, or organizational goals and specify the desired outcome and results. KRAs help identify the most valuable work area that contribute to the organization's success by focusing on the critical 20% that deliver 80% of the value. The second is the key performance indicator, KPI, a measurable expression for the achievement of a desired level of result within the key result area. KPIs are the source of quantifiable measure applied to evaluate success of employees and our organization in meeting objectives for performance. Always start your KPIs with $sign or the value currency, numbers, percentage. Examples are dollar budget variation, then number complaint received, then the last, that is percentage customer satisfactions. KPIs assist in understanding present progress in different areas and how far the organization has succeeded in realizing its objectives. There are two ways to define the objectives. The option 1, very straightforward, that previously organization used, that is increase employees' satisfaction to 95% by the end of the financial year. That is the previous concept. The option 2 that we are going to use all through our lectures is here we have decomposed the stated above objective. Let us take a look how we are going to decompose. Key result area, human resource management. Our objective is increase employee satisfaction. Our KPI is percentage increase employee satisfaction. Target is 95%. The weight, each KPI has a weight out of 100 to be discussed in detail while setting the individual KPIs in the following lectures that we're going to take a look on that. The last is the timeline, the end of the financial years. Let us take a look organization objective that cascade down to the department level. Organization objectives are improve the company's productivity by 15% by the end of the financial year. CEO has set the following objective for various departments to realize 15% productivity of the company. For the sales department, to increase sale by 15%. HR department to increase staff productivity by 20%, and production department to cut cost by 15%. HR department to increase staff productivity by 20%. Let us take a look. In order to increase by 20% productivity, set key result areas, set the objective, define the KPIs, and let us take a look with two examples. First example is develop 8 HR policies by 30th June. This is one objective. How we are going to decompose it? Key result area is organization development. Objective, develop HR policy. KPI, number of policies to develop. Target 8, weight 60, and timeline is 30th June. The second objectives that let us take a look, increase employees' salary from 2% to 10% in a year, and we are going to increase salary every 1st January. Key result area is reward management under the human resource department. Objective is increase employee salary. KPI is percentage salary increase. Target is 2 to 10%, and weight is 40%. The timeline is 1st January. Through this way, we have explained the two ways of setting the objective. The one way is option 1, the statement that organization used previously, since the Robert Kaplan and David Norton presented the idea of this balanced scorecard, and now we are going to use the second option on that. In the next lecture, we will set objective following the Robert S. Kaplan and David Norton 4 perspective of the key result area. And thank you very much for watching this lecture. I will be back very soon with the new lectures, and that the next lecture will be a part of the KPIs. Thank you. Bye.